Report Chanongwa Same Bedi Yularia. Eyewitness testified about fierce clash and evacuation near the Nasser SSPDF barrack, making this account the central focus of the 31st session of the Special Court trying suspended first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar Tengurgon and 7 co-accused on Monday, December 15. The session featured the third eyewitness, an SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force captain, who recounted being trapped for 6 days in an armored vehicles while facing attack attributed to the Norway Army and SPLA-IO forces. SSPDF Captain Joseph Malong Akot, the third eyewitness, took the stand and testified about a series of intense attacks on the Nasser garrison. He stated that on March 3rd, 2025, an assault allegedly led by Kang Makane, the deputy of Torgile, struck his position, hitting an armored tank with an RPG-7. According to Captain Malong testified that soldiers were forced to fight from inside the armored vehicle after it was hit. He detailed that tension had been mounting since late February, leading to General David Major instructing force to be on standby. According to the witness, he described how fighting intensified on March 1st, 2025 and renewed fiercely on March 3rd, when he recognized the attack being led by Torgile, whom he saw wearing an army uniform. Captain Malong recounted the critical event of March 5th, 2025, when he and his troop were pinned down near an evacuation plane and eventually trapped inside an APC for 6 harrowing days without water or any supplies. And he said after running out of supplies, he raised a white t-shirt as a flag. He later received a call informing him that UN plan would evacuate them. According to Captain Malong, he insisted his soldier bought the aircraft before him, stating that a commander must protect his men first upon evacuation to Malakal. He testified that he received no further assistance. During cross-examination by the defense, the captain clarified that he did not personally witness any fighting on the specific date of February 14, 2025. Earlier in the session, the court resumed the cross-examination of the second witness, Santino Akol, an SSPDF captain who supervised the evacuation process in Nasser. Akol told the court he was assigned by the Chief of Defense Forces to coordinate with partners, including the ICRC and UNIMIS, to evacuate 55 soldiers from Nasser garrison. When questioned by Advocate Deng John about written communication, the witness stated that all instruction and coordination with partners were strictly verbal, not written. He confirmed he prepared the official report on the evacuation process presented to the court. The prosecution's chief examination of Captain Malong was led by Advocate Buttress Yai from the Ministry of Justice and Constitutional Affairs. The court has adjourned proceeding to December 17 to allow judges to continue the cross-examination of the third witness. Jo shalingani again ta dane shaluk kajen shang kawagich shang adana ngai kondiala anu da la shang tima kan waradial ka kwiri ka mechi talk ka December 15 2013 me sha nore sha nek dien charge talk rewich ka juba akirme yadit Kennedy nika ban kula we ka dung 2013 ka jen kwi nage dane sha nang nore gore jeno mi paela de ka kwi Dr. Machar be nyok ka mi dong de jo kwen ye amat gwatot ka tunat ka jo chalat gwa sami Yalarino Shiramkel Mladej SSPDF Mla Captain Charwach Kagoini de ka first by President Dr. Machar kanene dangborotin koni cha yenkel Kalukan cha luka changa wal DH kapai waro ronkin dangro jandang ro DH Chabarar and Wudomo Chong Nyamnat Raja Kagoni the Kat Dr. Machar. Then Wale Captain Malong Joseph Malong Akot. Then Charwach Enena. Yala no sheng dan me chorche talk. Menyam la court session ke look loka jen look and jen dok with the Kenyan. Lugan jen dog with the Kalian che George and wo should welcome Captain Malong Joseph Malong Akot a jelar am diodian kanite kon lanen chong nyamnat ka chela do ne ka chang and diodian kapai dok ronkin dangro jendang ro de dich jeni chu kon di chu twok che wen koromo Nathan Conti la booth ke kang makane Ramadan la kwere ro de mun guru torgele jeni chwa gwa de tekitin chwa yuan match jeni chwa turbilian malawida teka match aki de kono cholo no wulit jeni chwa je bokar PG7 jeni mi chaka bogo chungodo kana gwa Captain Malong chela do nena Jeni shu nwerwa yami yu kane force ko bunero da gang ke bune nyinga ka etinere torbiya chicken nyinga karar chela do jen chetene ka nindang bakel re torbiyel wanyu motele piu ka telekwan no jen rege dan chi tuoka ka so michene me Shela Rude me Michelle kame Captain Malong Shela Dunyo Kajen Pyro Wedan Meji Kormeja Talk Chuono ko Bajan Rol David Majur Bajanak Jene ka changa kelka fai diok Chukor chu talk Uwe neka changa diok ka fai diok No Jene changa nyam torgile Yani changa raude kang makane. Jani cha torgile cha nene lo jem jele ke bini denya. Jani ka changa diech ka pai dok chu korden chu nyoko tuok. Jani chwa nei burno ba nei evacuate. Jani ngwade cha kwa kien chika tuoki cha kwa kien tun chamkan ke chika piu. Amanu kwan chika tuk o tuku kanin dang bakal array torbiel kwa mitele ka putin kesele ka supplies la kwa ko la kula chamke jenen wena mo chu UN before that kan UN bene kan chicken bear mu bore kan chong nyal kwa kujino mo dong jo kan nor wai amin wo shaka surrender ki mu mi chitwok you can bear mo chu kan chung nyal ko chi chu tin dak bakel gwan mutele ka kwan ka tele ka pu sham kan ka tikare re ka mudi chi taknek o dong de kan riar ke de ka liure de en turbila mo chikala chela de ne en wen mo jon shiga bear chung nyala chure nyal chuben re nyala mo re nyal yuwen dene chai evacuation chwa tok no kake chela no kenyam mi nyal che bene jene kana we jene chuwen de ni ka kenyam jene ko an ram mo mala captain ki kwar hi de wonan kenyam che jang ne je ko bi de ni ka bu ko we ka ni che de ni cho bi den de ju de ch chwa ka evacuate ka jo ran chelat so den jo ran chelat no jen de ni jen dang bi ju de cha ka evacuate GICRC kan bi mi so cha thi te ka jong cha thi je ya thi je no ka do be dan mi ku yen evacuation ku yen lat ken yam tien ka record mi sha lat che we no roi ni na bet tan ta cha gwar pin no chu de me sha lat so when mo sha ko di rin cha nyo ma ka po je jok ka chang ka wal baro ka pai wero to continent so jenda na chura lar mo mi de gwan de konling so man chala long o chena gwan nan o te kuma spele mayo atiken ka te charen mat kel ken wer wayami then ka den changan wal baro di na mo ka pai woro ba bana mo di ndan jikan lat bam jo ling binumi but chelan jen o man goni na ka je long jeni o chi wer wayami kan ne tin content la dini spele mayo she can mat so simply agenda na chalat she advocate den John che teacher long ko mu dong take written communication ke mu dong te mu cha gor gwadi dane to ngak tin chala do no tel mi che talk so no mo mi chikana lat ka do badan en chine me che talk ajan den we ka la rudin dan de kon ko lingwa sama ka kwi nuar massacre ke tai dane nakanware chirimen chikon ling wen an wal jen chang an rode ka chang dane nakanware chang an yam chang ka wadi cha ka pai waro chang an rode jen chang wal bakal wal no ba na rodare mai ka tai dane to kor ke je ki lia ye che to ka ngane la responsible ban je lingwas mene jawan yam gwas min bialing ka chang wadish wo ka chang wal badda ko ronkin dangro idan ide wal jok ronkin dangro wal jok chu to gono chu te ka force ni to organize ko bikan war bikan connect bikan war 1000 bikan connect to chare aleka kirmu yadit na reminding kan war dialin content dong kai kamandan le rode ki mi cho la ni ke nyam no tungwan cha ka document ko wo de kan ach no to kennedy kan dia le ko ni chi to ke very horrific ye ke ti jega non wan motela wan palke kan ite ko la nan lanware ban ite ko ante ko an wele nek ban ke bit ko asme ne te ko ante nakana Dinka Sudan People Liberation Army SPLA soldier nete chate din lat ko ban wernak kanete konte la presidential guard la gang kirmiya ditem kwal cholan waleno Tiger Division nete kanete nyam Tiger Division kanete konte to kanan nuare amma tiang anyor ke dini jan guard jan korodian wangden koroshal ke dut kuben wando no gang kir ke gang ja ke gang kwer no kan kadesha ngich privately kan iri kon ni ke Uganda People Defense Force ke UPDF kan iri kon ku ka support kwa train ka one thing bi anwari bi akanak jen panting la mitega mandien tembo dien ko biya medani chalat ke 1991 biya de chul cha goro te kan war mu baka jire wiki juba biya kana ka mena kwarken teram biya so gen plan waka train kana shalka ti matiang anyor e one mission karwade naka nuare atal nuar mi pelgen so shuna mo shotwo to Uganda People Fund Force you can get trained ke order no be ka president Kim Yadit self Kim Yadit ke order no be ke young council of elder la dit jane kel ke kir sharamat ke ne ke ndialen ko tin la high ranking military general tin te ka gor tidit tin jaran realika and become massacred genocide against innocent people we can carry out kire wiki juba we talk no more mechi kor mechi talk kajen wara mo chanka waldich you can the Tiger Division Matianga Nyor la dot kubin ke order mi chang na kir kan young council of elder kan high ranking military general kaka shu kan we one wa ko gol goten corner ticket within that night wa shu kan the unity shu ko were which you can 47,000 newer civilian you can connect India 47,000 people nakaka within 4 days kill me hadit atuka ke December 15 la chang wal di ka pai wero away ka chang wal badak ka pai wero wonkin dangra wi wal di within 4 days only you have 47,000 innocent newer civilian shwaka marpin wakanak kanang mijak kokorun ten chilewe ela teke new report to kokenti chile barar ano chilian werche weneka kinati jandang dich 50,000 nuer civilian te chanak awe kador shalka apanalo meji to gene o an kan all this report ne te kono nunga ka kanetin kontetin special ne konto la jiyunimis kan ko na ngai kumina le road chore ga me show to walk chirimen chali chokir mi yadit chodor chuje to chuje talk order mo shwalware shwakanak from that moment me chire ke to ga chanwar nak yunwarin ta ka panal yunwarin ta ka jongle yunwarin ta ka yunto state parodian judge ko bikan wari bikan kaka yunwar wai army ke li choro de judge wudene diaran konen de ka spele tinde pinker ma yadi na won tandien te tiante konte kanak parodian nyoko muku kan defek yuka tiai yuka dakfin ka ja yuka rin kor nwarikian ten raike dakfin machar ka jentuk civil war angwas mo me shire ga mo chetwo chine te konde tire ki juba telan wari churodian chukan gorno bikanwa kayunimis ko nakana yuko we ka unimis jen kwaje chak ka ronkin dangre welkel la changa badak ka pai baro ronkin dangre welkel jen chengi dane kwa unimis kwa le chaka jere wich ka so Sudan kana mani awa a yach ki promise mishalat a UN a United Nations resolution ka 1996 one kit kel widu kubangwan iljen bangwan bakel baje establish kajen chang kajen ronkin dangro widu welkel yang badak kapai baro so jen do be dane chiro la so nito gwase dan mechi kan guj kan ji wan moti ka tugu kan kare ka so Sudan kon gu no no bet me ji ko me cha tuok je na kuni te to te kon te chi kan re wi ke juba ne te loike jang re dor ken te te katen je ne ku wala kan so do be dan na kan re je a shang be che chang ma kwa be je no chi lo na te de te ke je ken nyam me gor ken ya di do ban war ba kana te ga michalat but kan war kan kana kon ngai kan kana calculate no this will happen alamuto ken nyam kwan wi ni general ken generally akane te kon te kwan wuch no chato kamu ke general ken kan general to self ke mi jadit ka fire ranking down road well jok amu da kan doctor ma char kan je no watch kan cabinet ke dial wo to kamu je generally mo pyro ka ranking down road well jok land me chalat kon plan e dane ji ke la ngeje no la ko inquire balat ke 2015 lo ci do murun dang ne ci do murun dang ro ba ko inquire ba jalat but go away ni bataka power ka je bataka banka je so ci gor no be war general ba ko watch ka pay baro ka jen 2013 yo kirme yadit wone dial te konte te kwara ka je kel ala cabinet ni dial wona ka fas by president Dr. Machar you can the actual watch you can dismiss totally kare kumaka and when money ko chawo jen Dr. Machar ka duwa mi kuje you know wa chocho announce and wo ajena bro de chung jena bro de chung ke we goro bala kware we ka South Sudan me wake je and Dr. Machar me dane chalat gwada pagan sorry wude me michal ke me waniga me chajo wika by president jen pai baro wedan ron kindang rodwal jok me chi Dr. Machar go jenu chajo woch jen ka pagan mum no ke nyande ngarang ala Sheikh John Garang de Mabio you can be no baro den chunga la kwar no on ko inquire de la ke 2015 from there can kirmi ya dit kan je goro no de je chuk eventually and ko inquire cha nyo mu kabjen yam ke 2014 cha nyo mu de jok so mi chikeno mo kan ke kana janok ka jen wera mo ka duobe dane chikir bi jen okay mirin ma charche ku den tam ka jen role ka dial chaka wo la jen role